Hey guys, if you have a problem to create Google account without phone number and you are searching videos on YouTube related this topic, but you can't create Google account, now you're on right video. I will guide you step by step, and after watching this video, you will be able to create Google account without phone number perfectly. So, watch this video till end. For creating Google account, you have to open Gmail on your phone. If you are on PC, don't worry. You can open it on Google Chrome. But this time, we are going to use mobile phone. Go on mobile screen and click on Gmail icon. When Gmail open, then click on right top side mail icon. After this, press on add another account, which is on bottom side. Just follow the arrow. Then press on Google. After this, press on create account and also click on for myself. Then next window will be appear. Here put your first name and put surname in second column. Then press on next button. In next window, you select your date of birth. You can put random date of birth, but I recommend you to submit correct information. Now click on gender and select your gender. After gender selection, press the next button. Now you have to type your email name which you want. Email name should be unique. Then press on next. I have skipped phone number. You also can skip it. So final step to set your Google account password. Set strong password. After this, press on next button and also press on yes, I'm in next window. Then your Google account is ready for you without phone number. So, drop your comment and tell me how much videos you watch on this topic. If you still have any problem in Google account creation, please ask me in comment box. So take care. See you in next video.